So first, I'm going to start off by rinsing my face with warm water, not hot, not cold, warm water. Using cold water closes your pores and using hot water dries out your skin. Make sure you use warm water. So now I'm gonna go in with this cleanser from Youth to the People. You don't have to use too much, a little goes a long way. I did use a little bit too much, but half a pump should work. Make sure you're applying the cleanser when your face isn't completely dry and still has some water on it. Now obviously you guys should be washing your hands before this. You don't want to be dirty and not wash your hands and then go through all these steps and then put your hands on your face. You're kind of defeating the whole purpose. So make sure to wash your hands. So now for application, you guys should not be using your nails for anything, no scratching involved, just smoothing, basically just using your palm and then the tips of your fingers. I did this for about maybe 2 minutes or so. So now I'm gonna wash my face with cold water. As I mentioned before, cold water closes the pores. This can lead to a smoother complexion, so that's why we use cold water after using the cleanser. So now I'm letting my face air dry for a bit. So yeah, I'll see you guys when it's done. And we're back. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go in with my Purito CO Moisturizing Facial Cream. I'm not sure if I said that right, but yeah. I barely used, a little does go a long way with this one too. Yeah, so for moisturizers, you mainly just want to smooth. No like rubbing, nothing like, no serious like contact or anything, just smoothing onto your skin. And so I do this routine every single morning, every single night, and then I repeat the same process every single day. For an example, if somebody has acne, if you follow these exact steps, you'll definitely see some progress later down the road for sure. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I will be posting very soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.